Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise number 11.2. Question number 1. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Okay. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance is 0.8 meter. Okay. Now we come and write the what is the formula of the trapezium's area. Okay. Area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides or height of the trapezium. Okay, so half into sum of parallel sides are given 1 meter and 1.2 meters and distance is given is 0.8 meter. Put the values and get the answer by solving 0.88 meter square. Question number 2. The area of trapezium is given and length of one of its parallel sides is given is 10 centimeter and its height is given as 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel sides. Okay, now we will use the area of trapezium half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Put all the values and find the let assuming the other side to be a. Okay, so 34 is the given area of the trapezium and half into sum of parallel sides. One side given is 10 centimeter, other side we assumed as a centimeter. Okay, and we will multiply it by the distance or height between them, that is the 4 centimeter. Okay, so here comes our the value of a is 7 centimeter. So length of the other parallel side is 7 centimeter. Now come to the question number 3, which is length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of this field. Okay, so this trapezium is given in the form of fence, which is the ABCD. Okay, and BC here is 48 and CD is here 17 and AD is 40 meter. Okay, so we are given that AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. So AD is the height of this trapezium. Okay, so first we will find the height of the trapezium and then we will get the values. Okay, so first of all y on in which the area we have to find the value of AB. Okay, length of this whole trapezium is 120 meter, that is the perimeter. Okay, so we'll put this 120 meter perimeter equal to the sum of all its sides AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay, so all the three sides are given, but fourth side which we assumed as A and AB, which is the height. AB will calculate first, which is 15 meter, and AB is the height of this trapezium. So we'll put in the areas formula half into sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are AD and BC. Okay, so we will add this AD and BC into half into AB, which is the perpendicular distance, and get the area 660 meter square. Okay, the same formula is we are using again and again, but we are finding the values of different things. Okay, so question 4. Diagonals of a quadrilateral shaped field is 24 meter and the perpendiculars dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of this field. Okay, so here is the diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field which is 24 meter and perpendiculars which are dropped on it are 8 meter and 13 meter. Okay, so what is the area of this quadrilateral? This area of the quadrilateral's formula is half into diagonal into h1 plus h2. Okay, it is also a formula of this quadrilateral. These h1 and h2 are also known as the offsets. Okay, so half into diagonal's length into h1 plus h2. Okay, half into 24 into 13 plus 8. Okay, so it is equal to half into 24 21, which is equal to 252 meter square. Now question number 5. The diagonals of rhombus are given as 7.25 and 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. find its area. So area of rhombus is equal to half into product of two diagonals. Two diagonals are 7.5 and 12 centimeter. So we will use the area of rhombus formula based on the product of diagonals. So half into d1 into d2, which is equal to 45 centimeter square. Next question is find the area of rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of the other diagonal. So rhombus area is again half into product of diagonals, and we are given here the area 24, and find the other value of the diagonal, that is the d2, which is we have assumed here as the x. So value of x is the value of other diagonal. Okay, so we'll get the diagonal other length is 6 centimeter. Now 7th question, the floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Okay, so the floor of a building has 3000 tiles. Okay, and we are given the floor in the shape of rhombus shaped. Okay, tiles are in the rhombus shape. So finding the areas, each of the diagonals are 45 and 30 centimeter are given. So we'll found the tiles area and multiplied by the total area, that is the 3000 centimeter square. So we'll get the area of 3000 tiles is 202.5 meter squares, and the cost of polishing is 4 per meter square. So we'll multiply it by 4 to get the 810 as the total cost of polishing the floor. Now question number 8. Mohan wants to buy trapezium shaped field. Its side over the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. So it is a form of trapezium. The perpendicular distance is 100 meter and the area is given. So we have to find the length of the side along the river, okay, in the form of trapezium. So we'll use the area of trapezium. Assume the one parallel side is the L meter, other parallel side will be 2L, because its side over the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. Okay, it is given that its side, its one of its parallel side is we are assuming here is L, and the other is the twice the side. So other one is 2L. So half into L plus 2L into 100 is equal to area of trapezium, that is 10,500 meter square. We will get the length 70 meter. Length of the field along the river is 140 meter. Okay, this is the length of the field along the river. Along the river is twice the length on the other side of the river, that is 70 into 2, that is 140 meter. Last question number 1. Question number 9. The top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Okay, here you can see one trapezium we can see here, which perpendicular distance is 4 meter and parallel long sides length is 11 meter. Okay, the rest of the area we have to consider it. Okay, as the side of regular octagon is 5 centimeter. Okay, side of regular octagon is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So here 5 meter is given here. Okay, so we'll first calculate the area of the trapezium. Area of trapezium is ABCH. Okay, so it is half into 4 into sum of parallel sides, that is 11 plus 5, that is 16. So it is equal to 32 meter square. And area of rectangle SGDC, rectangle is SGDC. Okay, this is rectangle, so it is 55 meter square, length into width. And area of octagon is equal to area of trapezium plus area of trapezium. 2 times trapezium's area is added on the top and on the base also. The other trapezium will be GFED. Okay, and the above also 2 trapezium and 1 rectangle will divide this area. and add this area to get the 119 meters square. Question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaft shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita are divided into two different ways. Okay, so pentagonal shaped park. Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other ways of its area? Find the area of this park using both ways. Can you suggest some other ways of finding its area? So Jyoti's way of finding area is as follows. Okay, he will divide the area given is divided into two parts. Okay, and here the area of a pentagon is divided into two trapezium. Okay, so firstly we will calculate the area of one trapezium and multiply it by 2. So sum of parallel sides is 15 and 30. Okay, and its distance between them is 15 by 2. Okay, 15 by 2 is the perpendicular distance. Okay, so here perpendicular distance is 15 by 2 and it will get the area 37.5. Kavita's way of finding area is as follows. She will find the area as area of pentagon is equal to area of triangle ABE plus area of square BCD. Or area of trapezium is another method. We can also find the area of pentagon by using this area of triangle plus area of square. Area of triangle is half base into height and area of square is side square. So we will take the side as 15. 15 square is to 25 and half base into height is half into 15 into 13 minus 15. Okay, that is the height of this triangle. Okay, triangle ABE and square BCDE. Okay, next question is question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions as 24 cm into 28 cm and inner dimensions are 16 cm and 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. Okay, here a diagram of adjacent pictures are given. Okay, we will first give the width of the each section. We will first find out the width of the each section, that it is same, and we will put the values of each section's width as IB is equal to BJ is equal to CK is equal to CL. Okay, now 28 is equal to the length of IB plus 20 plus CL. Okay, then we'll put the values and get the values of IB and CL, which is 4, and we will find the area of section BFC as half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them, which is the area of trapezium. Okay, and we will find the area of section ABEH, which is equal to the area of section CDGF. Okay, which is 1216 plus 244. Okay, therefore is equal to 80 centimeter square. Okay, in this way we will solve this exercise, and exercise number 11.2. Thank you. Have a nice day.